113. Still have an hour left in the day. Almost kind of forgot that I hadn't gone live today, so got to keep the streak going. And show you what's been going on in Bitcoin today. But first, we're going to start off with uh, the song, the intro by Champ Medici, with Champ the Great by Obi-Wan Kenobi. The NFT Zone by Stony Crypt lets me use it for my live stream. So I'm going to listen to that and show you where you can follow me on your page over here, Kelso.
Could have bought a lamb truck, but I bought another eight figures just came in, a nigga just ate. Ain't no play, blah, 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 champ, you the great. Ain't no way, blah, 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 champ, you the great. 100 NFTs and all my crypto is green. I'm watching Gary V on TV, what do you mean? She wear Gucci and Louis, but her favorite's Celine. My old school is old, but I keep that shit clean. I was sipping on some syrup and I almost hit the curb. Sipping on some syrup and I almost hit the curb. Sipping on some syrup and I almost hit the curb. I'm trying to hit him where it hurt. Dr. Bombay and Champ smoking on a board. Counting stars in the rave. Send me E for smiley face. Pray to God she beat the case like heavyweight boxer. MetaMask Foxer. Sandbox Voxel. Doggy avatars. 10,000 we going hard and slow riding down the boulevard. I'm just slow riding down the boulevard. I'm just slow riding down the boulevard. I was sipping on some syrup and I almost hit the curb. Sipping on some syrup and I almost hit the curb. Sipping on some syrup and I almost hit the curb. I'm trying to hit him where it hurt. Could have bought a lamb truck, but I bought another eight figures just came in, a nigga just ate. Ain't no play, blah, 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 champ, you the great. Ain't no way, blah, 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 champ, you the great.
Great. All right, Champ, again, if you're seeing this, let's get you on the show. I know I'm streaming from a different account, but we'll get you on no matter where you find me. Or we'll do it all at VCon. We'll find out. Maybe we'll do a Wake and Bake from VCon. Okay, so yeah, if you don't know, come follow me on here. If you're a V friend, anybody else, this is now my main account until I can get X to answer the appeals process. So till then, find me over here. Newer account, just getting started. Had it since 2012, but we're here now. And back to cartoon PFPs, which I like this one. I like the ink. I like the art. I like the project. So that's where I'm at. Okay, so right now we're gonna get into what runes. Oh, I'm not even gonna tell you what runes are. Let's get rid of my ticker I was messing with over there. But where you can buy them. So I got 3 sites pulled up. We got Luminex, which is luminex.io. The other one is Genie Data, that's GENII data.com. That's .com for this one, IO for the other one. And then today, about a day early, for US time anyway, Magic Eden launched their runes marketplace. So when you go to Magic Eden, just click runes, but you kind of have to select the runes and go through here. There's not much of a sorter by market cap or anything like that. So you go in and click one, select the runes to buy. Let's get rid of the pending. So you'd click this, insufficient funds, because I've already doing some stuff with this wallet, but pay $194 because the network fee is $143. That's crazy. Crazy. $143 to do a transaction right now. A little ridiculous, but show you kind of how you can tell what's going on with that. Yeah, Bitcoin Pepe Matrix has 11,000 buys on it, but it's this meme pool space. So when we scroll down here, we're on Genie Data. Main pool dot space is at 89.56 minted out with 13,000 pending transactions from 1,700 minters. So this one's kind of what's clogging the space right now. You can see over here on mempool dot space. This is my transaction. So, ooh, it's kind of moved up. It was like 49 minutes. It got moved way back here once gas shot up, but now it looks like this one may actually clear. Bitcoin and its gas just kind of sucks to deal with. Um, it's a little difficult to understand, but the more you play in it, the more things make sense, like the UTXOs, the sats for VByte, uh, how stuff over here doesn't go through, or if you put gas too low and you're not in time, you won't get what you're trying to get. So that's what I've done. I've minted from both sites. I minted from Luminex using my Magic Eden wallet, and that's the one that just went through. So I minted here. Looks like we're 86%. This will probably be minted out, and especially with gas, just kind of did that little dip. It was all the way up to 300 sats for B by 369 16 minutes ago. Look how fast these blocks are going through now. We went right here from 55 to 16 minutes. That's 39 minutes for this block to go through, and then 9 minutes, and then 1 minute, 3 minutes. This is less than a minute from one block to the next. Both of these were 3 minutes ago. And Ant Pool's got uh, mined all four of these blocks. That's the pool. Yeah, via BTC, Foundry's back there a little ways, but Ant Pool's going crazy right now, just snatching up every block. That has to do with Bitcoin mining, not really what I'm into though. I feel like I should get a little involved in mining or setting up a node, just not there yet. But so I bought over on Luminex with Magic Eden wallet. That one just went through. I bought two, and the ones I'm buying are the meme pool dot space. So on 13,000 pending buys, 91% minted out. They're probably going to mint out pretty quickly here. Let me see. I want to go. Let's just spread that out a little bit. This shouldn't really mess things up, right? There we go. Yeah, 91.85% in memory pool. Oh, I didn't know that was a mempool meant memory pool. That's what mempool is for. But mempool.space is where we check our block transactions. Oh, I got moved back a little bit. I need this to clear before this mints out at 100%. But that's another, let's see progress, another 9,000 mints. Oh, that could easily be thrown in here. I just have to hope other people are minting other things right now. I think I'll get it. But I got one put through. I did uh, Luminex using Magic Eden, or I think so. Yeah, I did Magic Eden on here. You mint right here. The pre-split and auto split. Kind of I get that now. Bulk, which is 2+ blocks, split and mint. Higher limits but slower. Do not use when rune is almost minted out. So pre-split 20. Yeah, I still don't really get it. Um, Uncommon good. So here's the top ones we're looking at. Fehu says 99% minted out, but it's not, and you can actually kind of see that over here. It's 40% minted out, but 99% of it was pre-mined. So the owner of it's sitting on the majority of it. It's a lot of speculation on what it can do, and when you do mint this, you can only mint one at a time. So that's why it's taking so long to mint out, even though it was the first rune at the halving. Bitcoin Pepe Matrix minted out yesterday, maybe overnight. That's just kind of gone crazy. I want to check over here. I kind of like Luminex a little better when it comes to looking at this part, but it's not so accurate. Like, see the 99% minted, and you have to really look at these to know what's still available. Uncommon Goods is actually runes number 0 that Casey put out. Writing to offer partnership opportunity. Thank you. My mission is to support gifted streamers like you, expanding your vision, following Squids, Mushy, whatever your thing is. You're on Kick, so I just automatically deem you as scam. Like, nobody fucking messages me on Kick if you're not trying to like scam me or trying to fucking market some other product to me. If you want to find me, you want to give me a legit proposal, and you're actually fucking real, come to Twitter, follow me, DM me there, and then show me whatever you're trying to sell. But I don't believe whatever you're trying to sell on Kick. I haven't met a fucking real person off of Kick yet. Only people I know on Kick came from another platform and trying that out. But at least every other day or so, I get some message from someone pretty generic, just like you. Doesn't fucking say anything specific. Just, I want to help. I want to help. You're doing great. Let me sell you something. So, yeah, not interested. But where were we? Runes. Okay, so it's a couple sites to look at it. I'm gonna go back over to Magic Eden because they've got a few other things on here. So they have a swap coming soon. So I'm not we're a little bit of speculation on what that's going to be. We think you'll be able to just kind of put in the amount you want, and it'll find you the batch that you're looking for. Because when you're buying it based off the batch. The 69,420 is how much minted out in each lot. And so we're going to go to runes again. Instead of clicking on select a rune, if you want to kind of learn more about what are runes, you can't really see it because I got my chat in the way, but it says, what are runes? Runes are a new type of fungible token built on Bitcoin. The runes protocol, led by developer Casey Rodomore, uses the UTXO model to reduce network clutter and improve asset trading. So we're going to click on learn more here. I'm going to pull up another page, community.magiceden learn runes. Here's everything we know about runes, new fungible token standard. Set to launch the end of April, introducing a new fungible token standard on Bitcoin's article will teach you everything you need to know about runes with a full glossary at the end. Runes was created by well-known developer Casey Rodomore in September 23. Casey is also the creator of Ordinals, which are layman's terms NFTs on Bitcoin. JPEGs on Bitcoin. There you go. A new feature on Bitcoin that allows for creation of unique digital artifacts inscribing data directly onto individual Satoshis, the smallest unit of Bitcoin. So BRC20s have been the current Bitcoin token standard, but they have an issue of creating surplus junk UTXOs. These can clog up the network, making for a less than seamless experience for users. UTXOs, or unspent transaction outputs, are essentially digital assets that you have received but haven't spent yet. So a UTXO is it's like dollar value. It's like $100 bill. When you buy something, say you buy an ordinal for $40, um, but you're paying with that your batch, your UTXO of 100, that you have other UTXOs in there. It's going to pull from one of those. It's going to spend your 40, and your $60 is going to be sent back into that UTXO. So that starts, you get all these little change pockets, UTXOs, that under BRC20s, you have to combine them all. Bitcoin Runes is an attempt to clean up the network while allowing traders to enjoy the meme coins on the mother chain. Why you should care. Casey's baby. We can't write about why you should be excited for the Rune Standard without mentioning its creator, Casey Rodomore. A huge amount of excitement around Runes comes from the fact that Casey's name has Casey's name on it, his blessing the protocol, and working on the core team add a whole new layer onto the project. Bigger user base. Runes has the potential to attract a wider audience. Runestone, a pre-Runes NFT project, airdropped a free runestone to wallets that had 3 or more digital inscriptions on the Bitcoin blockchain before the runestone project launched. With a market cap approximately 330 million as of this article, runestone is attracting a lot of excitement around what holdings Ordinal could mean for receiving runes. So that the runestone, like, we're getting multiple airdrops from multiple projects, not just the creator of it, Leonidas. Um, I got one because I didn't do too many wallets. Every wallet that had 3 ordinals qualified. So I know a bunch of people that had multiple wallets with more than three or more ordinals in it, so they got more. Let's go. Skip down a little bit. Runes could offer more security, blah, 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 more developers, more fun. How Runes protocol works. The Runes protocol is designed for a Bitcoin network, allowing the creation and management of various types of digital tokens. Bitcoin Runes uses a UTXO-based protocol where each transaction starts by picking up pieces of Bitcoin that haven't been spent yet, like digital change, it's like I was saying, and use them to create new transactions. So instead of having to combine your UTXOs, this will use them all in one. It's like paying a $80 bill with 420s. It's going to grab each of those little batches of UTXOs, pull 20 out of it, 4, 5, 10, instead of having to do that all yourself. Tracing each Bitcoin back to its creation ensures that every coin is unique and hasn't been falsely duplicated, giving you the confidence Bitcoin you own or accepting transactions generally and truly yours. Compared to other protocols that may rely on off-chain data or special tokens, Runes utilizes Bitcoin's native features for on-chain data storage. This allows for less of the junk UTXOs we mentioned earlier, which can bog down the network, causing transactions to be slower, more expensive, and less reliable. Specifically, Bitcoin Runes on-chain data storage is in the op return part of the transaction. Picture jotting down a secret note on your Bitcoin transaction. Op return is that magic pen that lets you leave your mark without moving any actual Bitcoin. This keeps Bitcoin transactions neat and tidy because it doesn't add extra work for the network, which can affect overall user experience. You may also hear people talk about Runes having Lightning compatibility. This means that Runes can use the Lightning network, a separate layer on top of Bitcoin, to enable faster and cheaper transactions. This allows Runes transactions to bypass the usual delays and high fees of the Bitcoin network by using this faster, more efficient system. Okay, that's what we need to figure out how to do. Like, that's not being talked about. I'll bring that up tomorrow in some spaces. How do we get ready for Runes? As we approach the launch of Runes protocol, users can prepare in a few ways. Set up a Bitcoin wallet that is compatible with Runes. Naturally, we're Team Magic Eden Wallet for this. You can use Unisat Xverse. Unisat's not ideal as of late. I'm hoping they get that fixed, whatever bugs they've been having. Stay up to date with Bitcoin with Casey's Twitter, our main Twitter account, and our BTC account. Make sure to get some Bitcoin since Runes operates on Bitcoin network. Having some Bitcoin wallet is essential for sending Runes and paying transaction fees. Check out pre-Runes, which are Ordinals collections that have said they'll be delivering Runes. You can see them on Magic Eden. So yeah, it's Rune Nodes, RSIC. Oh, I didn't know Ape Odyssey was one. Rune Pups, Runestone. And then here's a good glossary that explains some terms. It's even got Casey Rodomore as in the glossary, well-known developer responsible for creation of runes and ordinals. Cenotaphs, runestones that are malformed. This can happen for a number of reasons. Okay, it's not runestones, so they did a typo here. This is runes that are malformed. Um, I guess they should have had someone proofread this. I mean, when I say it out, it makes sense because they're talking about runes, not rune stones on this part. Divisibility, how small a rune can be divided. Not all runes can be divided by the same. Runes with divisibility of 0 can't be divided. A unit with divisibility of 2 means smallest rune amount is 0.01. Developers, etchers, developers or creators of runes tokens, etching, how runes are created. So instead of inscribing, these are etched, kind of like runes and Vikings. The similar to how it sounds, etching creates a rune and set its properties. The properties can't be changed after etching. Fungible token, a token where each one is exactly like the other one, so they can be easily swapped. So, NFT, non-fungible token, that's because they're different than each other. All these are the same, they don't hold different JPEGs on each token. Lightning compatibility, runes will be compatible Lightning Network, minting runes, minting terms. Each mint has their own minting terms for which the mint starts and ends, created by each. I want to see where I'm at over here. I want to see if I got a chance to have this mint go through. This is 19 minutes. Gas is a little low, lower than it was. Uh, let's see where we at. And we're at 91%. I can see it's going high pretty quickly. 96.67%. Oh man. And 5,000 pending. I'm not sure if this is gonna go through. I mean, it's right there, one block away. I need these blocks to go a little bit faster. We were going fast. We went 1 minute, 4 minutes. Then we went 8 minutes. Oh, right there. Okay, I'm one block away. As long as like everyone doesn't just fucking skyrocket the gas to jump into this next block. Oh no, I'm already sliding. Look at it move. We're at, I don't know if I have to refresh this or just refresh it on its own. 96.7%. So I think there's still another 4,000 on top of what's pending to have to be clicked on. So, oh, I just fucking moved back another block. I'm not gonna pay more to fucking boost this because it's just outrageous in cost. And I've got two of them that are going through because I minted two, so it's two transactions. It's been in this mempool for 3 hours now. That really fucking sucks. Not sure if I'm gonna get that, but I'm watching, hoping these blocks just kind of boom, boom, boom in the next couple minutes. Because we're at 90, almost 97% here. Looks like still 4,000 left to be clicked on, but that is going up. Yeah, I definitely got moved back to another fucking block. Okay, so we're 8 minutes, 5 minutes. Luxor grabbed that one. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna get out of here. Watch this a little bit before I go to bed. Not buying anything else tonight. See what the next ticker is for tomorrow. All right. Um, Another point. We're 22 days into the month. That means I'm 22 days without any marijuana. As you may have noticed, I'm not smoking to start up the streams in the morning. Uh, Now I'm just drinking water. So no stimulants for 22 days. That's no caffeine, marijuana, alcohol, nothing that can get me high. Um, Feeling good so far. Feeling more energetic. Feeling like I want to do more shit. So just trying to figure out what to do now. All right. Until tomorrow, maybe in the morning, we'll see. Day 113 is done. Peace. Kelso out.